Let's go over how to transfer a car title in Georgia the right way. Whether you're buying or selling, getting the paperwork right makes the process smoother and avoids extra fees. Start by opening your browser and searching Transfer a Car Title in Georgia. You'll want to click on the official state site. It should end in .gov. Once you're there, take a few minutes to read through everything so you know what to expect. Now, if you're the seller, make sure you've got the original title. You'll need to fill it out using blue or black ink. It's important not to make any mistakes or cross things out. Any mark-throughs or changes, especially to the date, could make the title invalid or lead to a penalty fee. You'll need to write the full name of the buyer exactly how it appears on their Georgia driver's license or ID card, along with their current address. Add the date of the sale and the odometer reading at the time of the transfer. For the odometer, write the full miles, no tenths, and choose the right box if the mileage is over the limit or if the odometer isn't accurate. If there are multiple sellers or buyers, everyone involved has to print and sign their names. If a company is selling the vehicle, include the company's name and have an authorized person sign, including their job title. Once that's done, the buyer has to apply for the new title in their name. This step must be done before registration. You can visit your local county tag office and make sure to bring your completed title, a valid Georgia ID, and any other paperwork the website mentions. If you're transferring ownership from someone in the same household or a family member, check for any extra steps or possible tax exemptions. And that's it. Just remember, accuracy matters. The title should be clean, complete, and signed by everyone it needs to be. Thanks for watching.